Rocket Lab is getting ready to roar even more with its Neutron rocket nearing its maiden flight in the second half of 2025. The Neutron program's steady progress means a medium-class reusable vehicle designed to capture the medium-lift payload market and compete with heavy-lift providers like SpaceX can soon become a reality. Neutron boasts a potential payload capacity of approximately 15,000 kilograms, offering flexible and cost-effective access to space for even more customers. In May, Rocket Lab announced that it will launch its Neutron rocket for the U.S. Air Force Research Laboratory for a rocket cargo mission, supporting point-to-point cargo transportation and advancing global defense logistics. This mission, scheduled for 2026, will demonstrate Neutron's capabilities in launching payloads and returning to Earth. Furthermore, Rocket Lab has been working on an ocean landing platform, a modified barge to support Neutron's reusable first stage. The barge is undergoing customized modifications, including autonomous ground support equipment, blast shielding, and station-keeping thrusters to enable precise positioning and safe landing. The Archimedes engine, which will power the Neutron rocket, has undergone successful hot fires, and the company is ramping up production to build the 10 engines required for Neutron's inaugural flight. Preparations are underway at Launch Complex 3 at the Mid-Atlantic Regional Spaceport in Virginia for Neutron's maiden flight. The launch site has undergone significant development, including the installation of a new propellant tank and water tower. Installation work began for a large automated fiber placement machine to produce the largest carbon composite rocket structures in history. This machine will enable Rocket Lab to automate the production of Neutron's composite structures, introducing significant time savings in the manufacturing process. On a somewhat related note, Rocket Lab could benefit from the ongoing feud between Elon Musk, CEO of Tesla and SpaceX, and President Donald Trump. Musk announced plans to form a new political party, the America Party, which Trump criticized, saying Musk is going completely off the rails. This spat could potentially impact SpaceX's government contracts, benefiting competitors like Rocket Lab. Rocket Lab, often seen as a mini SpaceX, has launch and satellite building capabilities, although it doesn't match SpaceX's size or scale. SpaceX handles over half of global launches, generating billions in revenue, while Rocket Lab is expected to generate around $575 million in revenue in 2025. Despite the size difference, Rocket Lab has seen significant growth, launching 16 rockets in 2024, a 60% increase from the previous year. On top of that, recent contract wins with NASA and 2 major hypersonic defense programs in the US and UK open up the possibility of more government and defense launches in the near future. For more on stocks and crypto, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.